What's up, folks? Man, I think it's just a full moon here in Alabama. Well, I know it's a full moon, and these kids, why do they put toilet paper in the commode so much that it has to boil over and put paper towels in the urinals? Why do they do that? I don't know. Anyway, a majority of my haul was going on a field trip yesterday, and I didn't have that problem. They're back today, now I have that problem. And it's cold here. Y'all people up north, you can keep your cold weather. I mean, a month ago here in Alabama, we had 100-degree weather. That's cold. Can't hardly stand it. But I get over it. I'm a big boy. Anyway, today I want just to shoot a short video of how to fill a spray bottle without it just foaming over. You know, when you pour chemicals in a bottle, it just foams over really quick, and you've only have a half a bottle of chemical, then the suds go down, and you're in the process of working, and you're not going to walk back in your closet and continue to fill that bottle up. So you can use a funnel, but if you use just a short funnel, you're still going to have a little bit of that problem with it foaming over. So I've kind of come up with a trick, unique. It's nothing new. It's just something that that you can use to help you not have that problem. They make funnels that are long, really long, and it's not just to put in your car to where it will reach where you won't pour oil all over the motor when you're putting oil in your car. It's a good way to use one of these long funnels to put chemicals into a spray bottle. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do. Okay, we have our spray bottle. It's a Windex. And what I have here is a funnel with a very long tube on it. And this one's just homemade. This is just a regular funnel with a plastic tubing on it. And you insert that into the bottle, you'll notice that it goes all the way down to the bottom of the bottle. And what that does is you pour slowly, and the chemical that you're pouring in there rises up without causing a foam or splash, because that's what causes the foam, is when we're splashing and everything. And what I really like about this is you can tell how much chemical is going in that bottle. Okay, I got my funnel full. I'm just going to let it run down. As you see, that bottle's filling up slowly. I'm just going to add a little bit more, try to get it up to the neck. Alright. And you pull that out. And check it out. It's not running over the bottle. It's not all foamy. I mean, that is a great way, any chemical that you use, that you're filling up spray bottles, gallon jugs, or anything, that long funnel with that tube on it, or you can buy them this way with these long tubes on, made into one, long necks. They are awesome for filling up spray bottles or gallon jugs without having all that foam running all over the place and getting it everywhere. And always a good idea to fill your jugs and stuff up in your custodial sink also. So there you have it. Foam-free spray bottle filling. Little tips that we get here and there, help us out. We figure things out as we go, and that's what I want to do with this channel, is just help you out in little things that, hey, why didn't I think of that? Or, hey, that's really cool. I'm going to try that. So that's what it's all about, guys, is helping each other out in this custodial world we live in. So go out there, sweep some floors, take out some garbage, clean some bathrooms, because I can promise you, in about 5 minutes, you're going to have to do it again. And there's probably going to be something crammed in the urinal in the toilet too.